Friends, welcome this channel. Today's lesson is fun pencil with using UIView component and long press gesture. So trigger your mind and let's start. So first of all, we are creating long press gesture and adding our super view. So long press gesture, UI long press gesture, and target as a self and selector. So create our objective C method, func long press, so gesture, UI long press gesture. This long press gesture to use, adding our view. So we are set minimum long press gesture duration and add in our main view, add gesture long press gesture. So print this gesture dot location. So every touch point in our main view, so given this CG point. So first of all, run our project. First time is very take some long time. In debug area, every our cursor point in our main view to even this 0 point to our max width and height point. So every point to V, I will adding UIView frame dot init 0 and set our view height and width. So let height width size CG float, we are now 5 and view dot center. So gesture dot location, it's our main super view. So self, we are changing a little bit, and the view dot add sub view, we adding view dot background color, UI color dot RGB, using RGB color dot random 0.02 1.0. This every time written 0.0 to 1.0 range value, it's a random value. Every type generate random color and run our app. So every cursor move to add this line. Each dot is our UI view. Adding this our debug point and CG point. And we also add after 0 point 1 second to remove automatically to principal view. So this page main. But now 0.1. View transform, CG transform to scale 0, 0. And after completion, after any call completion function, height and width is 5 to 10. Enter 20 and also change our background color. It's black. It's very attractive in our view. Watching this video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.